how to link Cash App to Citibank. So you gotta press on your profile icon right here in the top right corner. Then from here we gotta scroll down a little bit until we see the option for linked banks. So click on linked banks, and right here it will give you the option to link a debit card. So just click on it. Then you should see this prompt right here that says no card. So just select it. It will take a little bit of time to load, but it will essentially ask you to link your bank account. So you gotta select continue. And as you can see, the fourth option right here is Citibank. So if we click on Citibank, like so, it will ask you to log in to your Citibank account, and then it will ask you for verification. So you just gotta verify your account, and then your accounts will be linked Cash App to Citibank online. So hope this was helpful, hope this was informative. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.